Imagine an earthquake hitting a city. Roads collapse, buildings crumble, communication lines go dead. Every second counts. A blocked road, a fallen bridge, or a collapsed building can mean the difference between life and death. First responders need to act fast, and that's where drones come in. They scout disaster zones in minutes. Equipped with thermal cameras, they can detect survivors trapped under rubble and see through smoke and debris, long before anyone else reaches the scene. In floods, drones scan streets to find stranded families. In wildfires, they fly through smoke, spotting hotspots before human can even get close. Not only that, they also deliver first aid kits, medicines, and sometimes life-saving blood. Some drones double as flying Wi-Fi routers, restoring communication when networks are down. Others map the disaster area in real time, helping teams plan rescue operations efficiently. Their speed, agility, and eye in the sky perspective makes them indispensable. In essence, drones have become flying lifeguards and first responders, helping humans react faster, safer, and smarter. Here are some companies at the forefront of drone based disaster management. Next, we'll explore how drones are helping protect our environment and conserve wildlife. Stay tuned.